morning, everyone. Hello and welcome to Summiter, the podcast where number makes sense, equations become stories, and maths get a little more fun. I am your host, Aplas. I am super excited to take you on a mathematical adventure today.
Minus. Mathematics is often called as the queen of all science, and through this podcast, we aim to explore its beauty, logic, and the way it shapes our understanding of the world.
Whether you love maths or think it's just a nightmare with numbers, don't worry. By the end of this episode, you might just change your mind.
Relax, and let's begin our exciting journey into the world of numbers and patterns. You know, Sanyadi, people often say maths is hard, but I like to think of it this way: maths is like a mystery novel.
Yes, sister. Because the teacher always used to say, the maths is just a piece of a cake. Okay, Isha, let's welcome our chief guest. Any guesses, guys? We can't hear. Who is our chief guest? Okay, you are right now. Let's welcome our today's chief guest, who is Shafina ma'am. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am, on behalf of our entire team and listeners too. This is exciting already. Let's start our conversation. What's first inspire you to take an interest in mathematics?
Yes, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yes. Good morning each and everyone present here. First of all, I like to introduce myself. Yes, this is Shafina, your maths lecturer. I have completed MTech in Digital Electronics and Communication. Alhamdulillah, I am mother of two, working as an maths lecturer in Shahin Pew College. Thank you. And about coming to the question, first, I love mathematics. When I have in the school level, then I went to the degree, yes, then in my post graduation also, I love to do mathematics problems. As I hear from the students that whenever they solve the problems, they feel fear, तो नींद आ जाती या तो सर दर्द हो जाता. But it is completely opposite for me. Whenever I used to solve the problems, I feel very happy because whenever I am very near to the answer, I feel very confident, very easy. It means I feel very easy to solve the problems. It makes me happy when I get the result. So I love mathematics. The only thing I can say that I love mathematics. I am very proud to be a mathematics lecturer. Yes.
Who or what motivated you in the journey of your life?
Motivation. I don't have the such motivation. I don't read any novels. I don't see any big people to get inspired or motivated. I am self-motivated, and the motivation I can say is my mother. Yes, she is everything for me. She is an inspiration woman. Yes, whenever I see, I get motivated. She is like everything to me. She is world to me. She motivates me to work here. She motivated to take a post graduation. She motivated in every single second. She motivates me. I am really blessed to have a motivation as my mother in my life. I am very much blessed to have a mother. Yes, she is a motivation for me.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. Do you remember your most memorable mathematics teacher or classes? What made it special?
Yes, I can say that when I was in a 10th standard, उस टाइम पे मुझे लगा कि यस मैथ्स मेरे पल्ले पड़ सकता है. I can just solve the mathematics problems. The lecturer, the teacher, I remember it like Venkatesh sir. I think you people, some of the people know about the Venkatesh sir. Yes, he was like a hero at that time for me because I used to get. He was not teaching in the school. Actually, he was taking tuition classes. I used to go for the tuition classes. Wake up very early in the morning in order to go for the tuition. Even my parents have brought me a scooty for that in order to go for the tuition. I was so much excited to go for his tuition. As the Venkatesh sir, I remember till now. And the main thing is what, when he was working in the national, I went there. I was not knowing that Venkatesh sir is a teacher in that particular school. Then I first time I met how to see me as a colleague. As a student, I was working with him. It was just a dream for me. Yes, Venkatesh sir is an mathematics sir, I can remember till now.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. What's your favorite mathematical concept or formula and why?
Yes, in complete mathematics there are many concepts, but mostly favorite is like algebra for me. Most favorite and very interesting. We are only dealing with an unknown variables. Yes, algebra is most favorite. But coming to first year, second years, integration, differentiation, calculus part is my most favorite for solving.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. If maths were a person, how would you describe its personality?
It's like a king, I mean. Mathematics is a king for all the other branches. It's like a stem of a tree. All the branches are connected. So it's like a king, and all the soldiers, all the ministers, all the other subjects. Like physics is there, biology is there, chemistry is there. I feel that mathematics is a king of every other subjects. King for me. So only I am very proud to be a maths lecturer.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
Alright, let's have a quick game.
Now you have a game of 60 seconds. Questions will be there. You have answer in 60 seconds.
The 96, first question. What is the square root of 81? 9. What is the total degree of a triangle? 180. If we divide 100 by 1/4, what will be the answer? 400.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. Give a big hands of applause, guys. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am, let's come back to question. Which maths topic do you think scares students the most, and what your advice for overcome that fear?
I think this answer can be given by the second year boys as well as girls. Which topic you fear a lot? Yes, which topic? Little bit loudly. Yes, integration. They hate it as if बहुत पसंद ही नहीं करते, उनको सर दर्द है. They hate it too much. Yes, but what I can say that concept पहले समझ लो, as I said in the class. Yes, concept पहले समझो. डिफरेंशिएशन, उसका बेसिक फाउंडेशन कौन सा? इंटीग्रेशन का डिफरेंशिएशन बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. डिफरेंशिएशन को अच्छे तरह से समझ लो. देन उसके बाद प्रैक्टिसिंग व्हाट? इंटीग्रेशन. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स और एक चीज़ क्या है? आई ऑलवेज से दैट टीच टू लर्न. सो व्हेनेवर इन द क्लास, दूसरों को पढ़ाने से ज़्यादातर क्या है? प्रैक्टिस हो जाता. यस, बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो. Yes, you will be like completely solidified with formulas. Then you can solve the problems easily. But सर दर्द करके नको समझो please. Integration is a very easy chapter. Yes, feel it easy. Then it will be easy for you. अगर उसको सर दर्द difficult समझे तो वो difficult ही रहेगा. कभी solve नहीं कर पाऊँगा. Yes, so please concentrate before.
Okay, ma'am.
अल्लाह साथ है.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. What's the funniest concept you have ever?
Yes, I have already discussed in the second year girls as well as boys class. What is sine and cos in the trigonometry? Yes, what is sine and cos? Yes, sine and cos is like mother and father in the trigonometry. All the कौन सा है? Secant है, cosecant है, cot है. Yes, all these are children of sine and cos. किसी में भी जो भी अगर हमें कुछ फॉर्मूलाज आइडेंटिटीज फाइंड करना है, if you just go in a sin and cos, we'll get the answer easily. So sin and cos is like a mother and father in the trigonometry.
Okay, ma'am. In your opinion, how important is maths in our daily life beyond the classroom?
See, जानकर भी unknowingly we are using mathematics in our daily life. I can give an example as such. See, whenever घर में बात करते होंगे कि प्लॉट लेना बोल के, कभी सुने प्लॉट लेने के बारे में सुने? यस. हम लोग कैसा इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं? बाय द स्क्वायर फीट, इजंट इट? हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? कितना स्क्वायर फीट है एंड व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर फीट, कितना बड़ा 3000 स्क्वायर फीट चल रहा हो पर्टिकुलर एरिया करके बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट वी कैन से, कैसा हम लोग करते हैं? 30 into 40 का प्लॉट है, isn't it? 30 into 40. What we are calculating here? What we are calculating here? 30 into 40. Yes? Even commerce will can answer this. What is 30 into 40 is that? Then think what is that? Area of rectangle. The simple example is what? Area of rectangle. हम लोग वहाँ पे whenever your father is taking a plot, he will not say area of rectangle is 30 into 40 multiplied with square feet into multiplied with कितना चल रहा वहाँ पे rate. Will not say. हम लोग directly क्या करते हैं? 30 and 40 का plot है, directly we multiply and say that 1200 square feet. Then just multiply with the कितना feet चल रहा है. Unknowingly we are using the concept of mathematics. Even the best example I can give in terms of cooking. For one glass of rice, how many glass of water? Yes? One glass of rice, how many glass of water? 2 glass of water, isn't it? And अगर उसको हमें ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में करना है, यानी कि समझो 15 glasses of rice हम लोग पकाना है. What do you do? ऐसे नहीं गिनने के बाद 1 को 2 फिर से 2 को 4 ऐसे नहीं करनी. It takes long time. Just we can write as 2 into n. 2 into n. 2 into 15 is what? 30. And 30 glass of water. Yes, unknowingly we are using the mathematical concept in our daily life. Isn't it? Yes? It's like a heroine. Yes, it's like a hero. Whatever you can say. It is like a king. Everywhere mathematics is there. Everywhere. Yes, but you don't like the subject. Isn't it, commerce girls?
Yes.
You don't like, right?
No, ma'am.
No, you should start liking it. Yes, then only it can be your favorite. If not, then you can hate it.
Ma'am, will love.
Yes, you should love.
Thank you. What advice would you give to your student who says maths has no use in real life?
Max,
Has no use in real life.
example देना नहीं. Repeat the question.
What advice would you give to your student who says maths has no use in real life?
Yeah, that only I said. Now example what I have given in a simple thing. Yes, these all are related to what mathematics only. Yes, बहुत से लोग I understand, बहुत से लोगों को maths है क्या difficult subject, सरदर्द subject. I know you feel it as a difficult, but एक अलग concept अगर एक हटा के दूसरे तरीके से, yes, if you see mathematics is an easiest subject. You can score 100 out of 100 in the mathematics. Yes? क्या है ज़्यादा साइंस फिजिक्स लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, केमिस्ट्री में फॉर्मूलाज या तो इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, देन अगर मेथड समझ लिए कैसा करना क्या नहीं, कौन से भी पकवान के लिए व्हाट विल डू, मेथड समझ लेते इसको ऐसा पकाना इसको ऐसा पकाना. द मैथमेटिक्स इज द सेम थिंग. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, यस, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द मेथड हाउ टू सॉल्व, दैट इज मोर देन एनफ.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can you share a real-world example where maths has helped you making a better decision?
Recent example I can say is again taking a plot only. Yes, the recent.
Like that, I think Aisha, our audience may be getting bored.
Let's play a detective game.
Okay.
एक आदमी ने रेस्टोरेंट में कॉफी पी और उसके बाद
मैम स्टोरी का एक लाइन हम बताते हैं और उसके आगे की स्टोरी आपको इमेजिन करके 5 मिनट बाद से
Something I should say.
या समथिंग फनी टाइप. एक आदमी ने रेस्टोरेंट जाके कॉफी पी और उसके बाद क्या हो सकता?
उसके पास पैसे नहीं थे. देन ओनर ने कहा है बर्तन मांज के ही जाना. Yes, उसके बाद he was like नहीं करूँगा, मैं लेके आऊँगा पैसे. तो he was like नहीं करना ही पड़ेगा. तो he just hold his collar, take it to what the dishwasher. Then he has to completely wash it and he have to go in. उसके बाद घर गया. Then his family are questioning कि क्या करने गए थे. So he said, I went to have breakfast. So then his wife asked, आपका वॉलेट तो यहीं पे था, कैसा खा के आए ब्रेकफास्ट? Then he said, वो कुछ मैं जानता था उसको. Yes, I was knowing the owner. फ्री में खिला के भेजा मुझको, बहुत इज्जत के साथ. इडली, सांभर, चटनी, everything whatever it was in the hotel, he has provided in front of me. It was a delicious breakfast for me. करके बोल दिया. Then जो वाइफ का भाई साला आया, उसका साला आके बोला. Then he said कि I saw my brother-in-law was working there. तो wife was shocked to see that. वही मैं बोले कि उसको ओनर तो जानता था, बहुत अच्छे से खाना खिला के ब्रेकफास्ट भेजा. He was not lying. I totally believe my husband. Wife said. Then brother said, चुपके बोला तुम्हारे सामने वहाँ पे बर्तन मांज के आया. Then wife got, चलो इतना बर्तन दूसरी जगह मांजते हैं, why not at home? Come and मांजो in our home. ऐसे करके बोला.
Fantastic, ma'am. Okay, let's back to question. Why is algebra considered the foundation of higher mathematics?
Yes, as I said in the previous thing, algebra is my favorite part. Yes, algebra acts as a bridge to many concepts. Yes, it is like we are manipulating the equation from LHS to RHS to get the problems. Whenever you go for the calculus part or the geometry part, algebra consists as a foundation or like a bridge. It acts as a bridge. So it is my favorite. It's like basic. अगर वो समझ में आया, बाकी का other concept भी समझ में आएगा. तो algebra schooling से पढ़ते आप हैं नहीं? 9th 10th वहाँ से ही पढ़ने का शुरू कर देते algebra. So it's like a basic thing you should know to solve the other step of mathematics.
Thank you, ma'am. How we can understand variable help us solve real life problems?
Yes. See, variables in the mathematics is nothing but what the unknown number, isn't it? For example, देखो आप if you want to calculate the speed, what is the formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. Just by changing the distance as well as the time. If you want to know the particular speed of a vehicle, we can just substitute the distance as a time. These are what? Variables only. Yes, these are the variables. Then another example I can give is like rice. I said, isn't it, rice wala? And I get 8 glass of rice, 2 glass of water. Again the same thing. If you want to cook for 30 glass of rice, then we can just we can convert in terms of variables at 2 into n, 2 into 30, isn't it? So variables plays very important role in the mathematics, just in order to what? Generalize form करने के लिए.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. I don't like tea and coffee, so I have provided with the juice. Thank you so much.
Actually, we don't know you like juice.
I don't like even juice also. I like fresh juice. Even though Sangeeta ma'am and Swarupam, everyone knows about that.
Okay, ma'am. Next time we will try.
Yes, inshallah.
Okay, next question.
What are the some real life application of trigonometry outside of the maths?
Yes, trigonometry को तो सर दर्द बना चुके हैं second year and first year पर. Trigonometry नाम सुनने से डर लगता है, isn't it? Yes, first year trigonometry अभी मैं क्लास में लिखते रहती हूँ तभी से डर करके लग जाता है. But डरने की क्या बात नहीं है. अगर if you understand the concept, it is very easy. But in the real life application, I can say that trigonometry plays a very important role in terms of constructions as well as construction of buildings and bridges. And also like in modern GPS what we use, it completely rely on the trigonometry so that it helps the people to en route the all over the world, and also it helps in the navigations of ships and the planes. There are many real life applications of trigonometry. It's very important.
Okay, ma'am. If 3x plus 7 is equals to 22, what is the value of x?
I think you should ask any of the second year students about this. I think they will know or not, because I'll be saying another answer. I'll ask someone to stand up and you can answer them. Shabuddin. because very frequently uses his name in the class. So only Shahuddin comes to my mouth first. Yes, Shahuddin, stand up. Let me check your mathematics skills. I know the answer. Yes, 3x plus 7. Yes, equal to 22. Say the answer of x. Solve it. You can ask your friends also. Very difficult question is that. Very difficult. Huh? 5. Yes, very good. 5.
Correct answer.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Shahuddin is always right.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, give a big hands of applause, guys.
How does geometry help us understand the world around us?
See here, geometry बहुत पसंद था 10th स्टैंडर्ड में, करते थे कि नहीं? What used to do? Angles बनाओ, protractor लगाओ, या square लेके arcs बनाओ, वहाँ तक सब ठीक था नहीं? 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक ठीक था. Whenever you enter first year, second year क्या लगने लगा है? Difficult लगने लगा है. लगता है कि नहीं? 10th standard तक whatever it was very easy, isn't it? It was very easy. See, geometry is nothing but it provides a framework for representing the shapes, patterns in the nature, as always also the human-made objects, and also the geometry helps to design everything from the furniture से लेकर phone तक. Everything has a shape, isn't it? Everything. Even like a real life example I can say is like parking a car. Parking a car, you need what? Geometrical principles like angles, कितना angle को रखना या कितने degree को रखना. Yes, everything is related to what? Shapes only. That is nothing but what geometry. Yes, even in nature I can give an example is honeycomb. What is the shape of honeycomb? Hexagonal. That is also a shape. That is again related to what? Geometry. So everything which is living, non-living, everything it is related to what? Geometry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. What is the formula for the area of a circle?
Yes, area of circle pi r square.
Okay, ma'am. Next question. Why do we use letters in maths instead of just numbers?
This question have been asked many times in the second year girls. बहुत बार क्यों मैम नंबर लेटर्स लेके आए? जब तक हम लोग नंबर्स पढ़ते थे बहुत अच्छा था, लगता था मैथ्स. ये नंबर्स क्यों लेके आए? नंबर्स आने के बाद मैथ्स पूरा बिगड़ गया. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज हैविंग लाइक सेकंड ईयर गर्ल्स को बहुत है. क्यों लेटर्स आए? देखो लेटर्स प्लेस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है नहीं, अगर इंग्लिश पढ़ते वक्त लेटर्स चाहिए, बट मैथ्स में क्यों आए? सी एग्जाम्पल आई कैन गिव. In order to represent in a general form, yes, so that equation or a formula that can be used many times, not only for a particular instant, we can use a particular equation or a formula that has letters. We can use for many times. For example, अभी पूछे area of circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. What is that r here? Letter. What is a here? That is also a letter. Area is equal to pi r square. A is also a letter. R is also a letter. That formula can be used many times just by changing the value of radius. Yes, कौन सा भी radius of circle हो, we can change the area and we can change the radius and we can get the area, isn't it? So variables are very important. Letters are very important in the mathematics in order to generalize the equation. कहीं नहीं बोले तो हम लोग एक situation को add कर लेके जा रहे हैं. It takes long time. If you generalize the equation, yes, within a fraction of a second or if it is a fleeting movement, we can just get the answer.
Thank you. What the perimeter of the square is 36 centimeter. Find the area.
Yes. What is perimeter of the square? अगर ये नहीं बोले तो shameful है. Yes, second year. What is perimeter of the square? 4a. Yes, very good. 4a. What they have said? Perimeter is what? Perimeter is what? Yes. 4a is equal to 36. Then what is the value of a? What is the value of a? 9. Yes, 36 by 4 is it equal to 9. Then what you have asked? Area. Area of what? Area of a square is what? A into a, side into side. 9 into 9, nothing but 81 centimeter square.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Let's have some fun. Now the memory game, ma'am. We have to test your memory.
अभी तक टेस्ट कर ले अभी भी टेस्ट में रखेगा. हमें स्कूल लेवल से टेस्टिंग, then यहाँ भी वो इंटरव्यू देते वक्त भी टेस्ट करते हैं, अभी भी टेस्ट करते हैं. यस, ऑलवेज लाइफ इज फॉर टेस्ट ओनली इन एवरी फेज. पकाने जाओ टेस्ट, माय बेबी अच्छा पकाते नहीं, अगेन देयर जजेस. यस, कपड़े धोते वक्त ये अच्छा नहीं धोए, ये कितना गंदा धोए, दैट इज ऑल्सो टेस्ट. इवन माय चाइल्ड ऑल्सो टेस्ट मी, क्या भी कैसा पढ़ाते थे मैं, इवन ही इज ऑल्सो टेस्ट. एवरीथिंग इज फॉर टेस्ट ओनली. यस.
ओके ऑडियंस, आपको देखना होगा कि मैम करेक्ट आंसर दे रहे हैं या नहीं. कोई भी आंसर नहीं बोलेगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट मैम.
यस. 18.
Okay, right answer. Give a big round of applause, guys.
Five.
Exact right answer.
चलो टेस्ट टाइम एवरी टाइम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. कौन से भी टेस्ट हो उसमें पास हो लेके आए, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, let's back to next level of questions. How can we make learning maths more fun and less stressful in today's education system?
लर्निंग मैथ्स फन. यस, फन कैसे कर सकते हो? सी मेन फन मतलब क्या है, उसको पहले उसको पसंद करना, कौन से भी सब्जेक्ट. यस, यू हैव टू लव द सब्जेक्ट. मुझे पसंद नहीं आता, आई हेट दैट सब्जेक्ट, बहुत सिर दर्द, ऐसा कुछ बोलने से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. यू स्टार्ट लविंग द सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट. यस, बहुत इंटरेस्ट आता मुझे करने में, बहुत पसंद मुझे करने में. यस, आई शुड स्कोर 100 आउट ऑफ 100 इन मैथमेटिक्स. अगर ऐसा कुछ एक डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ इफ यू स्टार्ट इट कैन अचीव एवरीथिंग. यस, कंसंट्रेशन के साथ कॉन्सेप्ट को समझो. कॉन्सेप्ट समझने के बाद बार बार क्या है, प्रैक्टिस मेन मैक्स मैन परफेक्ट है नहीं. बार बार प्रैक्टिस करने से क्या है, हो जाता है कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला कब किसको कैसे यूज करना. आई ओनली सजेस्ट दैट प्रैक्टिस बहुत बार करते रहो कि बुक्स भरा देना प्रैक्टिस कर करके. क्या करे सेकेंड ईयर में, क्या करे, देखो बुक्स भरा दिए कर ऐसा कुछ ना है. कंप्लीट भरा देना आपको बुक्स. इतना सॉल्व करना सिर्फ देख के लिखने से नहीं है. यस, विदाउट सीइंग फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, फॉर्मूलास एक साइड लिख लो. यस, उसके बाद इन गो प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर एंड मोर, विल गेट इट इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. What's the story behind pi and why it is such a mysterious number?
Yes, pi is nothing but a Greek letter. It is a Greek letter pi, and it is mysterious. Why बोले तो it is an irrational number. Means what? It is what? 22/7. Everyone knows it. Commerce girls को पता है. What is the value of pi? 22/7. And if you write in the decimal form, यानी कि 3.142 ऐसा चले जाता है, उसको एंड ही नहीं है. There is no end for the decimal value. So it is non-repeating digit. यानी ये क्या, डबल 4 भी नहीं आता उसमें, 5 भी नहीं आता. अलग अलग नंबर पे अलग अलग पैटर्न सेम नहीं रहते, अलग अलग पैटर्न रहते. इट इज लाइक कंप्लीटली नो एंड फॉर दैट. डेसिमल चलते ही रहता, नो एंड फॉर दैट. सो इट इज a mysterious number. And the mathematician called as Archimedes, who has used this pi in terms of calculating the value. ये कैसा आया बोले तो mathematician called as Babylonians, he has wanted to know the area of a circle. So he has just done that 3 times the square of radius. ऐसा करे तो आंसर आ गया. Then what is the 3 called as the value of pi? Later on in the more invention करते गाने के बाद we got exact value of pi. That is 3 point approximately हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं टेक्स्ट बुक में 3.142 करके लिखते हैं. Yes, it is has some unique nature and it can be defined as what? Can anybody say what is the definition of pi? It is the ratio of circumference to the diameter. It can be defined as circumference divided by the diameter. So it has a unique number. Yes. That only I said, real life में बहुत यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं। हमको नहीं मालूम होता है कि मैथमेटिक्स कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ करके हम लोग समथिंग वी आर डूइंग। बहुत से हैं, यस, प्लेसिंग अ लैडर एट होम, यस, हम वहाँ पे क्या लगाते हैं, लैडर, एनीथिंग, हु विल से लैडर रखते वक्त कौन सा है, कौन सा थ्योरम अप्लाई करते हैं, मिस, यस, वेरी गुड, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। वहाँ पे भी हम लोग नहीं डालते थे, हमारे अब्बा बोले पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगाएंगे, कितना रखना है, सोचते कि नहीं सोचते, बट अननोइंगली वी आर यूजिंग व्हाट, मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट इन एवरी डे। खाने पकाते वक्त हो, बेकिंग करते वक्त, केक बेक करते वक्त इतना टाइम पे इतना रहना, इतना फ्लोर का डालना, मेजरमेंट, दैट ऑल कम्स अंडर व्हाट, मैथमेटिक्स ओनली। गाड़ी चलाते वक्त, yes, माइलेज, गाड़ी माइलेज कितना, एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू व्हाट, मैथमेटिक्स ओनली। एवरी डे वी आर यूजिंग, बट वी आर unknowingly we are using it. Everything has what, it's like a king, I said before, slaves, so ministers, so everything comes under mathematics. What I feel, I don't know about all other subjects, teachers feel that, but what I feel, mathematics is like always a king. It serves everything for other subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, everything, and other computer science also. Yes, even science के बच्चे पढ़ रहे, computer science में highly maths रहता नहीं, everything mathematics is there.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. If you could change one thing about how maths is tough, what would it be?
माइंडसेट, माइंडसेट चेंज करो पहले, हेट, उसको हेट करना बंद कर दो पहले, प्लीज डू नॉट हेट द मैथमेटिक्स, वेरी लवेबल सब्जेक्ट मैन, वी कैन स्कोर आउट ऑफ फुट इन दैट। प्लीज साइंस के बच्चे कॉमर्स तो लिए नहीं वैसे भी, बट ये तुम्हें एडवाइस कर सकते दूसरों को, कमिंग जनरेशन यू कैन एडवाइस, प्लीज स्टार्ट लविंग द सब्जेक्ट, यस, प्लीज स्टार्ट लविंग द सब्जेक्ट, देन ऑटोमेटिकली क्या है, मैथ्स इजी बन जाता है। आई एम श्योर, 100% श्योर, आप आराम से स्कोर कर सकते हो मैथ्स में इंशाल्लाह।
ओके मैम, वो लोग ना सोच रहे कि इधर भी मैथ्स क्लास ले रहे शायद। ओके मैम, थैंक यू। सिंप्लीफाई x minus 3. Simplify
x plus 2,
x minus 3.
yes, it's like a factors of 2 है, x plus 2। तो मेरे क्या है, बहुत खराब करे पेन, मैथमेटिक्स को क्या है, पेन या पेपर देने से कुछ होगा, कुछ होगा, ओरली हम लोग थिंक करके, यस, थैंक यू सो मच कि हमने इतना ब्रिलियंट समझे मुझे, सो क्या सॉल्व इट, नो इशू। सो x plus 2 into x minus 3, we have to what, मल्टीप्लाई करना, तो x square, then we have minus 3x plus 2x plus into minus 3 to the 6, so let us x square minus x, yes, minus 6 is the answer.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much.
Write the formula for tan a plus b.
tan a plus a, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आया फिर से, कहाँ भी जाओ क्या है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नहीं पीछा छोड़ने वाला, इट्स लाइक अ भूत, एवरी टाइम इंटीग्रेशन जाओ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आएगा, कैलकुलस कौन से भी पार्ट में जाओ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आएगा, है नहीं, इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक अ भूत। तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री क्या है, इसको दोस्त बना लेना भूत को। सो व्हाट इज tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b।
Okay ma'am, what is the value of sin square a plus cos square a?
Very easy, what is that?
No, I can't do it.
Who said it? 0? We'll see in the class then. Huh? Who said 0? Sin square plus cos square? 1. 0 it says.
Okay ma'am, let's have some fun. हम बताएंगे एक लाइन, आपको वो या हकीकत है या अफवाह, आपको बताना होगा। If you think of someone too much, they get hiccups. हकीकत है या अफवाह?
I don't think so. Sangeeta ma'am told in the morning that she was like remembering too much since 2 days, like Saturday, Sunday. She was very excited for the podcast. But I did not get any tips. Yes? So I don't believe in such things.
Okay ma'am. Your dreams continue from where they stop if you sleep again.
The dream continues.
I'll repeat the question. Your dream continues from where did they stop if you sleep again?
No, it's all like, can't use that word. It's nothing as such. कहीं बार तो कुछ देखते रहते, अच्छा देख, I don't give a simple example related to निशद ma'am. आगे मैं क्या देखती, watch देखती, then I enter for signing it. Then after ma'am, she'll not wish me first she'll see the watch, whether at what time I'm getting it. Always I will play, हाँ मैं निशद ma'am आए, and she was like, ma'am, literally I'm not lying it, I won't lie, literally I'm saying this, Nishat ma'am came and told that always you are being late. You have to sit in the scorching sun completely 2 hours. Exactly, I'm saying. Exactly. Seriously, I'm saying. And she has given me a permission. My husband was saying, you are literally obsessed with the Shaheen College. And in Khabo mein bhi Nishat ma'am aa rahe aapko. Yes, literally she told. I was sitting there and Swarupa, my dear friend, she was standing there. She was like, ma'am, कितना ज़्यादा punishment दे दे तुमको. छी, it's very bad. She should not give you like this. She can just have mercy for 10 or 15 minutes in the morning. Late, you will come late. She was like saying, she was boosting me from the up there. Literally, I was saw this. So उस उठने के बाद थोड़ा वो दिमाग में बैठा था ना. Shared with my husband. He was also laughing too much. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सोने उठने के बाद फिर से वही आते हो चले जाते इतना है.
Thank you so much. Zero was invented in India.
Yes, आर्यभट्ट करके बहुत सुन के आए हैं. Zero is invented by that, and even many mathematician has gone through that.
You may. Okay, ma'am. In maths, letters like X and Y are used only because of numbers got bored.
You can say numbers रहते रहते बस हो गया. उनको भी क्या है थोड़े लेटर्स साथ में आए, दोनों मिलके पार्टी करेंगे. अननोन वेरिएबल्स को जुड़े नहीं. अननोन वेरिएबल्स कौन से एक्स एंड वाई है. इसके साथ नंबर थोड़ा ऐड ऑन करके दोनों पार्टी करके दवाई बचा के एक्स एंड वाई वैल्यूज निकाल लेके आ जाते. यस, इट जस्ट टू कैलकुलेट द अननोन वेरिएबल्स.
Let's have some fun. Sound challenge. You have to guess the sound.
Listen carefully.
Exactly, aeroplane.
Yes, plane.
Oh. Okay, so next.
Household makes this sound. Listen carefully.
Oven.
Exactly, oven.
Oven, yes.
Exactly. Give a quick round of applause.
Makes this sound. Listen carefully.
बारिश. बारिश.
Exactly, Barish.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. No, it's a rain.
So,
Oh, she's
Listen carefully.
wolf.
silence.
Wolf.
Wolf.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
It's a
Listen carefully.
डे बोला. किसका संडे. Santa.
Santa Claus. Thank you so much. And come back to questions. Alright, guys, give a big round of applause. Okay. If Maths was a movie, which formula would be the hero and which one would be the villain?
I can say the chapter wise. Yes. Hero is always an algebra, and villain, according to you people, is like integration. Yes. Always like एक बार क्या है अभी की फिल्म्स पहले की फिल्म्स में तो क्या है विलन्स को फुल कैसे कि गंदे प्रेजेंट करते थे. अभी क्या है, हीरोज एज वेल एज विलन दोनों भी क्या है, फुल हैंडसम रहते हैं, फुल चिकने रहते हैं, यानी कि फुल कंप्लीट क्या है, यस स्मार्ट रहते हैं, है नहीं, दोनों भी सेम है। तो इंटीग्रेशन भी अगर उसको क्या है अच्छे से पॉलिश करके, अच्छे से इसको हेयर स्टाइल, अच्छे कपड़े, या इसको जिम विम अगर कुछ उसको भी ट्रेन करें तो क्या है, इंटीग्रेशन भी इजी लग जाएगा। Yes, that your mindset is like always villain is what integration, but make it as an hero by just polishing it.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
Ma'am, if you wear a math symbol, which one would you be? Plus, minus, multiply, multiplication or division, and why?
मैं अगर चाहिए always plus, always be positive, negative हमेशा ना करो, always determined, always be positive and lead your life very happily, always be positive.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. How does mathematics related to real world problem or application? What we might not immediately think about it. I'll repeat the question. How does mathematics related to real world problem or application that we might not immediately think about it?
वही बोलना, बहुत से चीज़ें हैं unknowingly we use mathematics in our daily life. Yes, वही आज से the same repeat answer only, like cooking चालो या तो गाड़ी चलाते वक्त, yes any kind of sector it might. Yes, mathematics plays vital role in everything. But like pipe or it's okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. And we have a surprise for you.
Yes, sure, I'm very excited.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi ma'am. Though it has not been a year being with you, attending your classes, but we felt it like you are a teacher, like a friend. You not only supported us in solving the things in a different manner, but also helped in many other ways. Thank you, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Assalamualaikum ma'am. I hope you are doing well. First of all, I would like to thank my friends who have given me opportunity to tell something about you. And I also want to say that your teaching has always made us think that maths is an easy chapter, which all of us consider as a hard chapter. It not only just helps us to enjoy the chapter, but also correlate it with our real life. And I'm also glad that we got a teacher like you who not only helps us academically but also religiously and friendly. Thank you to be a teacher, friend, and a mentor and a guider. And I hope you will do remember us and after years when we leave this college. Thank you for everything.
Assalamualaikum ma'am. Maths has always been a subject that many of us found difficult, but the way you teach us truly changed that. You are not just a maths lecturer, you are a mentor, a motivator, a supporter and a true friend we all always remember. Thank you for your all efforts. Your all efforts matter us a lot and thank you for being. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum ma'am. थैंक यू फॉर गाइडिंग अस मैम, यू आर रियली इंस्पायरिंग। पहले तो मैथ्स इतनी इजी नहीं लगती थी, लेकिन जब से आप पढ़ा रहे हो बेहतरीन हो चुकी है मैम। अभी भी हम थोड़े कम हैं पढ़ाई में, लेकिन फिर भी देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट फ्रॉम देम। थैंक यू सो मच मैम एंड यू आर रियली इंस्पायरिंग मैम। थैंक यू।
मैम आप बहुत फर्स्टली मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि आप बहुत अच्छा हमें समझाते हो और पढ़ाते हो, और आप बहुत मोटिवेट भी करते हो जब हमारे मार्क्स कम आते हैं, और आप लेक्चर से हमारे लिए बढ़ के हो मैम। एज ए फ्रेंड आप बहुत मोटिवेट, समझाना सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगता है मैम। थैंक यू सो मच आप इतनी अच्छी टीचिंग करने के वास्ते और हमारी प्रॉब्लम को अच्छे से समझाने के वास्ते और सॉल्व करने के वास्ते। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
मैम जब से आप बहुत फर्स्ट तो बोल रही हैं, आप बहुत दूर हो मैम, अगर आप जब से पढ़ाने लगे हो मैम, कुछ हमारा मैथ्स होता डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगता जितना पहले लगता था, और आपकी एक्सप्लेनेशन बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छा हो मैंने जब से आप पढ़ा रहे हो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैथ्स। चलिए अब तो नहीं सकते कि मैथ्स से प्यार हो गया, लेकिन इतना बोल सकते हैं कि मैथ्स अच्छा लग रहा है। और मैम आप बहुत अच्छा मोटिवेट करते हैं मैम, जब भी हमारे मैथ्स के मार्क्स कम होते हैं मैम तब। थैंक यू मैम।
Excuse me, ma'am. You have to guess the voice which lecture is talking.
शर्मा
जो मैं बहुत अप्रिशिएट मैम अल्लाह आपकी ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ और बरकत दिन ब दिन multiply करता रहे आपके टैलेंट और कॉन्फिडेंस में एक्सपोनेंशियली इजाफा करता रहे आमीन ऑल द बेस्ट
Hi ma'am, how are you?
Sangeeta
Thanks to
ma'am.
our podcast team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. It was me all along in science department as a female faculty when I had joined. Later on, Swarupa joined and then you joined, so our squad grew up in science. We all look up to you as our elder sister who guides us, doesn't matter whatever the situation is. You're always here for us, and I admire you the most, especially for the confidence you have when you speak, when you teach, and even your walk is full of confidence, ma'am. And I really love that about you. You are an example for self-made women and you inspire us and also the students. For an young generation like our students, it requires more people like you, which makes life so easily and inspiring. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming into our lives. And by this thing, I want to conclude that our college has again given us a great inspiring person like you and all.
बोर्ड लेवल लेते हैं बट हम ये लेवल लेते हैं बट उनसे हमारी काफ़ी सीखने को मिला क्योंकि मैं तो यहाँ जो फ्रेशर पे हमारा उतना एक्सपीरियंस वगैरह नहीं है यहाँ पर बोलने का भी मेरी वो नहीं है बट मैम से हमारी हर हफ्ते पे कम से कम 2-3 बार कन्वर्सेशन होता रहता है रिगार्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट हो गया आपका बोर्ड लेवल हो गया कैसे लेवल हो गया कोई अदर टॉपिक कोई डिस्कशन होता रहता है तो मैम ऐसे ट्रीट करती है जैसे लगता है कि ये हमारा अपना कोई बचपन का है तो
Thank you so much.
मैम इसलिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम को कि मैम हमको ऐसे ब्रदर समझते हैं और हमेशा हम लोग गाइड करते हैं थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so
आप
much.
ये कहना चाहेंगे कि मैम और आप ऊंचाई लेवल पर जाए हमारी यही दुआ है थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum ma'am. I'm glad to have you in our Summit Up show.
Welcome.
All the best ma'am. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation for this show. Wish you all the best ma'am.
Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आज मुझे आपके बारे में बोलने का मौका मिला है जैसा कि हम पहले ही दिन जब मिले थे जब मैं कॉलेज आया था तो उस दिन से हम लोगों की बॉन्डिंग बहुत अच्छी रही और आपने हमें हॉस्टल के बारे में यहाँ के लोगों के बारे में बहुत कुछ गाइडेंस किया साथ ही साथ हम एक अच्छे कलीग हैं आपने हर मोड़ पर हमारे साथ एक वेल बीइंग की तरह अच्छे से बिहेव किया हर जगह पे और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आप भी उसी फील्ड से हो जिस फील्ड से मैं हूँ क्योंकि हम दोनों की पढ़ाई ऑलमोस्ट सेम रही है तो मैं आपके लिए ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों में और मैम आप तो जानते ही हैं कि आप कितने टैलेंटेड हैं माशाल्लाह से तो आप कहीं भी पहुँच सकते हैं कहीं भी जा सकते हैं और आपका इंशाल्लाह कहना तो माशाल्लाह क्या बात है आपने इंशाल्लाह में सब कुछ छिपा हुआ होता है थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello ma'am, I'm really happy to share few words about you. You are such a wonderful person whom I have met in my life. You have a warm, caring and a loving soul. I thank God for gifting you in my life. You are a highly talented woman. May God bless you with great success in future. A small quote for you. A big sister's love is unconditional and unwavering. A bond that can never be broken. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum ma'am. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to share a few words about you. One thing I have admired about Shafina ma'am is their attention to detail. They always deliver high quality work. Shafina ma'am is so productive and always willing to lend a hand. There is a great team player. I have blessed that you have been colleague to me and you are a wonderful person I have seen in my life and your talking sense is very cute and nice and dressing sense also cutely ma'am. I am thank you for being a colleague to me ma'am. You are grateful and I wish that and I hope and I wish that you always successfully achieve your goals and aims in your life ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
शफीना मैडम जो यहाँ पे मैथ्स पढ़ाती है शी इज़ अ गुड टीचर एंड वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग I wish good luck in future. Thank you.
Hi, Sakina ma'am.
Ganesh sir.
You are very nice with each and everyone. And your teaching is super, and you are very dedicated person, hardworking woman. Especially second year boys are working hard nowadays beyond your teaching ma'am. And I think you are always saying the inshallah, the word was very super. And
I did not admire myself by saying inshallah.
ओके मैम देखिए कैसा फील हुआ मैम वीडियो देखने के बाद?
थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत अच्छा लगा, जेन्यून लगा, दिल से बोले ना सब everyone. Yes, thank you so much for that. Yes, thank you for wishing me also.
What are some examples of mathematical principle we use daily with realizing it?
I have said it many times. Yes, again trigonometry यूज करते हैं, ज्योमेट्री यूज करते हैं लाइफ में. Yes, अलजेब्रा भी कभी बच्चों को इसको चॉकलेट दिए, इतने पैसे उनको इसको क्या है बजटिंग का हम लोग सिखाते, इतना पैसा इतना यूज करो. Yes, all that in every sector we go, mathematics is there only. In every sector if you go also, mathematics तो है ही, तो हम लोग उसको मालूम नहीं होता, बट यही है वही है करके we don't realize it, unknowingly we use it.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much. Should student focus more on memorizing formula or on practicing problems?
See, understanding the concept, it will be for long, it is like long term retention. Understanding the concept is must. And memorizing के लिए गएगा ना, it is like for a quick during your examination, but it will be effective when you solve and you practice more and more. At the end you will be solidified with your formulas, then you will come to know in where, when and how to use it. So the main thing is what you have to understand for long term retention. Understand the concept, समझ लो कैसा है, क्या नहीं, क्यों करना, method समझ लो कब कैसे यूज करना, then practice more and more. Just English टेक्स्ट बुक है, उसको खाली देख ले कैसा का मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ना, कभी भी नहीं आएगा. Most of the student does the thing, always just देख लेके जाते, as if you are studying novels or what. Mathematics is a subject, you have to always have a pen and a book in front of you. Practice more and more. जितना practice करते हैं उतना formula दिमाग में बैठता है, method you will get to know. Yes, it will be easy. Like कब कैसा use करना बोल के easier. So first understanding the concept is the core thing.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much. Do you remember your first day of teaching?
Yes, I remember. Soon after completion of my post graduation, I went to national college. I have, not school, not college. I have started from the school. Soon after my completion of post graduation, as I said, it was like पहले जाके इंटरव्यू दी, इंटरव्यू से हम तो पास हो गए वहाँ पे. Then I said my maths teacher, I still remember, Venkatesh sir, वो सामने मिले. He was very excited because उनकी student, I was his student, and then a colleague बन गए. He was very happy. Even I was very happy because 10th standard में उनके ट्यूशन जाना बोल के बहुत एक ड्रीम था 10th standard में ट्यूशन जाना. Yes, it was very good first day. When I entered the class, students were very excited. I'm talking this before marriage. Yes, completely students were excited to listen. वहाँ पे maths लेती थी मैं पे. It was very good first day. Still now I remember the students of that batch. Still now they taught me. Yes, Teachers Day पे wish करते till now. It was very good.
Thank you ma'am. लिरिक्स आपको इंग्लिश में मिलेगा मैम. हिंदी में आपको कौन सा गाना है बताना होगा. इंग्लिश में लिरिक्स होगा और आपको कौन सा गाना है बताना होगा.
Very good songs I won't listen. So okay, I'll try inshallah. ठीक इंग्लिश में. Yeah, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
Audience, please be silent.
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. नाच मेरी मेहमान। झुमका गिरा है बरेली के बाजार में। Mistake कुछ है ना, गलती से mistake कोई how have any problem, the solution is inside. Solution is inside.
शो मैम शो 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 का
Adia.
शो का भी हेल्प कर सकते मैम का।
No.
The solution is inside.
Guys.
तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा। नाच मेरी नाच में no, that is over, no? Dance. नाचो what is that? I don't know.
Related.
नाचो oh वही हाँ something क्या famous one नाचो
Let's come back to our conversation. If you were not a maths teacher, what other profession would you have chosen?
Inshallah, in future I want to become a motivational speaker. I have that dream of becoming a motivational speaker in front of many people should sit. Then I have to speak. Inshallah, I want to become a motivational speaker. अभी तो lecture बन गए हो गया. We cannot go back now. Inshallah, in the future I want to become a motivational speaker. Inshallah. Yes, inshallah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next question.
Could you tell us a little about yourself and your journey?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, वो इंडियन आइडल्स में जर्नी सुन के ये नहीं देखे वो नहीं देखे सब दुखाड़े सुना के सबको जज को सब रुला के ऐसा कुछ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह गॉड हैज ब्लेस्ड मी विद गुड पेरेंट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह माय स्ट्रेंथ माय ब्रदर्स अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बस आफ्टर मैरिज माय हस्बैंड ऐसा कुछ ऐसी दुखाड़ी कुछ कहानी नहीं है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई हैव गॉन विद द फ्लो सेकेंड ईयर स्माइल में पढ़ लिया स्कूलिंग वेरी गुड स्कूल LFS स्कूल हम लोग वहाँ पे स्कूलिंग हुआ then second year smile mein hua then engineering and as well as the post graduation I have went with my mother's support and my brother's support I have completed my post graduation in PDIT college only वहाँ पे भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स मिले अभी तक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो भी है 7 फ्रेंड्स अभी भी मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स है यस टिल नाउ वी आर वेरी क्लोज ऐसा कुछ हार्ड जर्नी नहीं है एंजॉय किए ओनली अमॉन्ग द गर्ल्स फ्रेंड्स वी हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट वी वेंट डैम जा रहे थे ओनली गर्ल्स यस वहाँ पे एंजॉय करें हम लोग स्कूल लेवल देन वी वेंट टू बैंगलोर फॉर माय फ्रेंड्स मैरिजेस वहाँ पे गए एंजॉय किए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसके बाद फिर एक के बाद एक अपॉर्चुनिटी श्रीनगरी में काम करी नेशनल देन when the foundation of the Shaheen was there my भाई के फ्रेंड्स थे then they told कि शाहीन कॉलेज हमारे हॉस्पिटल में आने वाली है then from the foundation I approach की थी यहाँ पे I came with a resume here it was like my dream to come work in a reputed college Shaheen College yes I worked for a period of a second then I left the college alhamdulillah ma'am again called me yes I was so thankful to her and she has given opportunity to work again here alhamdulillah I'm very happy working in Shaheen team thank you I don't have assets Bukhara Kani I don't have assets alhamdulillah I'm going with the flow
Thank you ma'am. Do you have a memorable fun moment from your classroom?
memorable fun in the classroom बहुत वही बोली ना बहुत से हम लोग ही फ्रेंड्स जो हम लोग थे एज ए स्कूल लेवल में हम लोग थे 7-6 मेंबर्स थे उनके साथ ही दूसरों को टीज करना बात करना हंसना मजाक मस्ती करना ऐसे ही हमारे इसमें ग्रुप है वी नेवर वेंट टू द स्टेज वी नेवर वेंट टू क्या बोलते जाके लेक्चरर्स टीचर से बात करो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था completely we were at that time I was so introvert then when I explored myself I have become extrovert I've converted myself in the school days as well I was always like a shy girl sitting at the back and enjoying only among the girls. खाली गर्ल्स से मजे कर ले, उसको छेड़ो, उसको इतने में जो भी करो हमारे गर्ल्स गैंग में ही करो. कभी भी never went outside and spoke. Never. Now I have become extrovert by after exploring to many colleges, speaking to many. Then I got inspiration. Yes, I should become something. I should prove myself in front of. Without proving yourself, तुम्हें नहीं समझते इन अच्छी है अच्छा है. Nobody will judge by seeing you. You have to prove yourself. The first thing is school level में even though I go now, nobody will recognize me. Even now, you can. It is a fact. It is like kadwa sach. If I go to school level, nobody will recognize me because I was so shy, sitting at the end. I was so much introvert at that time. Then, बढ़ते, I have made myself. I should be confident. I should be motivated. बाद में से during my engineering, I used to see ma'am, Sharnavasama ma'am बोल के I used to see her. I used to admire her. How nicely she speak as a motivation to all. So at that time मुझे लगा yes I can be this. I can be a motivational speaker also. Inshallah I want to become in future. Inshallah बात की बात है. I started my journey with the lecturing. That makes me so confident in placing myself in front of you.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much. आपने उनको देखकर सीखा है और हमें आपको इंस्पायर.
Thank you. That means a lot, ma'am. That means a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. The funniest thing you have done or you have saw?
So funniest thing I have done. Funniest thing बोले तो when I was in a post graduation, the strength is only for 4 in our engineering, Gilead college. The strength it was only 4. हम क्या करते सर क्या है बोरिंग से क्लासरूम में क्लास नहीं लेते थे. What we used to do, टेबल में ऐसे सामने सर बैठते थे, हम दोनों ऐसे सामने बैठे, मतलब समझे सर है, हम दोनों ऐसे ही बैठते. तो बॉयज थे दोनों आते ही नहीं थे. तो मैं माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड श्रीलक्ष्मी टिल नाउ शी इज, हम दोनों बैठते थे. Whatever he say, मतलब थोड़ा उनका बोलने का अंदाज अलग था. But don't teach the lecturers how we have done. Just I am saying it an example. तो सर क्या है बहुत बात करते वक्त क्या स्पीड कर लेते थे, थूकते थे. वो एकदम क्या है एक बार हमारा ऐसा करके we used to laugh like anything in front of him only. We used to laugh like mad. सर कुछ भी रिएक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे. Seriously, nothing used to react. He used to be like saying something. Textbook देख के पढ़ाओ. And we be like laughing like anything. तो हम लोग कुछ ऐसा कुछ मस्ती करते थे खुद में, but उनको नजर में नहीं आते थे, बच्चे हट जाते थे. When in my engineering also my lecturer, my ma'am used to say, बहुत नाटकबाज है. She laugh and she just make her face as poker face. like किसी को मालूम ही नहीं लगा something she has done. तो ऐसा कुछ मस्ती करते थे क्लास में, मजाक मस्ती करते थे, छेड़ लेते थे, बट किसी को भी सामने नहीं आते थे. Like that we were.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Let's come to our rapid round. जल्दी आंसर देना होगा. Favorite mathematician?
I don't have a such. Me myself I don't have it. But my
favorite number and why?
Number. I don't have as such favorite numbers.
Chalkboard or smart?
हर number को favorite बनाना ही पड़ेगा because I am mathematics lecturer, so your number is my favorite. Every number.
Okay, ma'am. Chalkboard or smart board?
Both depends upon the situation, but digital board is good.
Okay, ma'am. If maths were a movie, what would it be? Comedy, action, mystery?
Comedy लेके पढ़े तो easy लगेगा. I feel prefer as take it as a comedy, not for lecturer. Subject I am saying, you have to take it as a like fun. आराम से पढ़ो, बिंदास पढ़ो, इतना क्या easy. सिर्फ इतना समझ के पढ़ो, हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, ma'am, inshallah. Reading or watching movies?
दोनों भी नहीं. I don't watch movies also. I don't read books also.
What you will do in free time? In your free time?
Hardly. I watch reels for 10 minutes. Then देखे बोर हो जाता. फोन भी नहीं दिखती मैं. बस. Then the main thing is what I make myself always busy. चुप बैठने से I feel like क्या कि something I am doing, nothing I am doing I feel आता है. Even though when I got leisure period also, my colleagues will say, always I will be practicing some or the other thing. I won't watch phone. Hardly 10 or 15 minutes I'll see phone. Even though after going home also, ऐसा लगता है boys इवन आफ्टर आई गो होम ऑल्सो ऐसा लगता है थकावन दूर करने के लिए थोड़ा फोन देखते हैं, स्क्रॉल कर लो, चलो माइंड फ्रेश है, नथिंग विल बी देयर। अभी स्ट्रेस हो गया है, कौन तो डांस करते रहते हैं, कौन तो क्या कर रहता है, क्या तो एक न्यूज कहाँ क्या रहती है, ये मरे वो मरे, समथिंग इट माइंड डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है। इट्स बेटर नॉट टू गो विद द फोन रेगुलरली। आई ऑलवेज वॉच 10-15 minutes, then nothing. My favorite show is what? Big Boss. Then I used to, whenever it was there, I used to watch for 1 hour. Even though during my exams also, in my second year exams also, Big Boss was there. Hardly I used to see 1 hour. But जब शाहीन आए तो Big Boss का नाम ही नहीं है. Big Boss only Shaheen is there. So I never have stopped watching that also. But I will entertain myself by just doing one or the other thing related to studies. I'll just try practice mathematics problems for the next classes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Music or silence while relaxing?
Silence. I don't. Music कभी तो वही functions में गए, कुछ करे, गाना लगाओ, तो बच्चे डांस कर लो, वो थोड़ी देर ही अच्छा लगता है, ज़्यादातर I don't entertain on.
Okay, ma'am. Favorite book or TV show?
That one TV show, Big Boss.
Okay, ma'am. Before wind up in this episode, listener, do you want to ask any questions?
बहुत से तुम्हें पूछ लिए हैं अभी, और क्वेश्चन है स्टिल?
Hi ma'am, myself Sabha. I have a question for you. Why is Pythagoras theorem so important in maths history?
Yes, Pythagoras theorem that connects the geometry and as well as the algebra. And the main formula we know that a square plus b square is equal to c square. That very oftenly we used to find the shortest distance between the 2 points. Yes, and also to find the length of the building, and also when placing the ladder also we use the Pythagoras. Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Yes, it's very important.
Hello ma'am. Why do we use zero in mathematics?
Zero. Yes, do not underestimate the value of zero here, isn't it? जीरो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है। अगर समझो कोई 1 लाख देने वाला है तुम ना को, वहाँ पे जीरो हटा दो, 10,000 काफी है आपको, काफी है 10,000? नो राइट, जीरो मेक्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यस इन आवर लाइफ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज इन द फ्यूचर व्हेन यू स्टडी मैथमेटिक्स and the computer languages also binary operation we use where 0 as well as 1 is used. It means 0 is for off, 1 is for on. So it's very important. 0 and 1 is very important.
Assalamualaikum ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Why is division by zero is not possible?
Zero. See, for example, I want to give as if 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. To what number we should multiply by 5 to get 10? Obviously 5 into 2 is equal to what? 10. The same concept, for example, if we divide 25 by 0, what is the answer? अगर हमें 0 ही माने तो what number should be multiplied to 0 to get 25? Is there any solution? We cannot multiply any number to what? 0, isn't it? We'll get no solution on it. There is no solution for that.
Thank you.
Hi ma'am. Can infinity be treated like a number?
No, because it is infinity only, cannot be treated as a number.
Thank you ma'am.
So ma'am, myself Nafisa, I have a question for you. Can one single formula explain everything in maths, or is that impossible?
See, mathematics is a diverse field of like arithmetic है, algebra है, calculus है, geometry है, diverse field है. Every sector has a different set of rules and different formulas. We cannot sum up into one and give a formula. But
Sorry ma'am. Why should some formula look similar across different topics like physics and maths?
as I said before, maths is a stem of a tree. Okay, all the branches that is connected. not only physics, biology, chemistry, सभी branches connect हुए हैं. So it serves as a universal language. Yes, physics क्या है? It says how the world, universe is react, how कैसा work कर रहा है, universe is working. So by precisely using the mathematical expression or equation, we can just describe the how this law is, how this universe is working. For example, I can say Isaac Newton had developed the calculus in order for describing a motion. Then we have conservation of energies, momentums, everything are there. That all related to our mathematical equation as well as the expression. Even in the computer science language we use linear algebra, isn't it? In that also we use it. So everything, every sector is related to mathematics. Not only physics, everything. Thank you.
Thank you so much, audience, and thank you so much, ma'am. As we came to the end today's episode, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest Shafina ma'am for sharing such valuable and inspiring us to see matches a new light.
A special thanks to our respected principal and administrator for their constant support and encouragement in organizing this podcast.
And of course, a big thank you for our entire lecturers and my podcast team, and as well as my friends who has helped me. And without you, I can't imagine this. This is not possible. And thank you so much.
And also a very big thanks for you, our wonderful listeners, for being a part in this journey.
Remember, maths is not just about numbers, it's about thinking logically, creatively, and confidently. Thank you once again, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep loving maths. Thank you so much.